Welcome to a new video on my Arduino set, Mega2560, MegaADK, ADK for Android development kit, but no Android involved in this experiment, and Uno, all interconnected, this to this one and these two. Last time I had a problem with the lamp and the LED. I'm now intending to replace them with just ordinary LEDs, light emitting diodes, to see if that is a difference with fischertechnik versions. And last time I used 3 computers for the first time, each Arduino on a separate computer, and this time I'm extending that with 3 cameras on each computer. Let's see how that works out. This is the view from one laptop controlling the Mega2560. This is the view from the second laptop concentrating on the MegaADK. Different view, different angle. And this is the view from the MacBook with code and view on the Arduino Uno with a view on the Mega and the MegaADK as well. So now the first thing to do is actually replacing this lamp connecting here and this LED connecting here by 2 LEDs. So let's first do this one then. Wiring out and wiring out. Taking an LED, minding the polarity, which is very important. And just like all the other LEDs I'm using, I just took this from scrap. Did not test them, but that's another thing. Then this one, carefully disconnecting. Alright. And why do I disconnect them? Because I think there's a difference in voltage. It shouldn't be, but I think there is. Yes, that is the correct way. And this way they are connected nicely, and hopefully it shows. So now I'm first going to run the software, although it should already run, but that's also a thing that I've noticed. It doesn't while it should. Oh, look here, this one is already running, and that's the MegaADK. The other stuff is not running, so maybe there is a little bit wrong with the wiring, but let's see. Anyway, I should by now get the signal over here, which I'm not getting. Let's check on the other. Oh, by the way, this is still the wiring. This from the this from the MegaADK. So this one should be responding by now, which is not. Right, and for some weird reason this screen capture is stalling from time to time. Not quite sure why. So now it's not recording anything while everything is still going on. Oh, now it continues. Anyway, this LED, oh, I can't see it. Can I do now? Still stalling again. Oh, it's a very old laptop, a very old Mac. So yeah, now it updates. So this LED is not blinking, so I am now going to re-upload, which I still have to check for connection. Yes, I need this one. So now I should be able to check if it is indeed, yep, it fits. Upload, and then this LED, oh, I have to wait for the image to upload to refresh actually, and that is the disadvantage of an old computer. Now it updates again, uploading, and then I should see this one blink. But do I see it with my bare eyes? No. I do not see anything happen, which is not good. And this is the only thing, this, oh, by the way, this is ground, this, yeah, this is signal, so this, if this blinks, it gets it also sends a signal, and I still again have to wait for the image to update. Right, so this is the signal cable. If this doesn't blink, it means that there's no signal coming through this wire. So I may have to check on that, and also on this LED here. They again have to wait. Yes, so this LED here should work as well, but that's right. And then the MegaADK. But before I do that, this is the Arduino Uno. Unfortunately, I noticed that the sound recording, the whole recording from the MacBook was cut short before I could finish my sentence. So I thought it was all about here, but here was a wiring issue, so now the LED blinks, and that's from the Uno. Going on with the ADK, which is this one. LED is blinking, not very brightly, but it is blinking anyway. So the signal should get from here. Also this one, which I shall come up with soon. But the fact that this isn't burning, and the fact that this one isn't burning, can mean two things. Either both LEDs are broken, or I definitely need to check the wiring, because with I don't believe that they're not blinking, and they're both these lamp and LED and these LEDs are alright. So something somewhere is not correct. But let me upload although that is not necessary because this is still working, and Arduino, once uploaded, it's embedded, it runs. Powered on and it runs. Which is also visible by the serial monitor. Problem opening, really. Then I have to check the tool. The tool is there. Board info, yes. Again. Okay. I have a rights issue on the board to show everything. Too bad. Can I still do that regarding the time? Not really. I can check, of course, but that takes a bit of time. Alright, and as you can see, it works, which also shows that here I have test without a new line. Here's a test. Oh, here's with new line, and here's one without. So this first test is from here, and the second test is from here, which can also be shown if you go entirely here. Then you see that the first test has a new line behind it. Anyway, this works now. So back to this one for the LEDs. Nope. Oh, this is how I solved it, by the way. Change ownership. Alright, now it's getting somewhat more interesting because this LED on the Uno, and let me leave the camera for a moment. Here, this one is working. Then this one is working as well. But while the one on the Uno has bright flashes, this one only flashes as soon as the Uno one stops flashing. So in a very short signal it gets. This one just works. Then from here I expect a nice signal here, which it doesn't get for some reason. So this may be very well a wiring issue. So how does this work out with my serial monitor? Because what's Arduino without serial monitor? Not much. And why is this happening again? I am setting a too high baud rate. Okay. This works. But why all zero? That's something that I had last time as well, which didn't make sense. And then suddenly an LED stops working. So I really need to check on the wiring. Is the wiring nicely connected? And this one stops blinking. So all is not very well, but it's nice to have at least, oh, here I see ones now. Yeah, I have to look either at the circuit with the bare eye or at the pins. So let me check. then okay, auto scroll off, and then it goes 1, stays 1 for a while, reading them, and then go back to 0 and then go to 1 again. But when it happens, that's kind of a mystery to me. But it works, and that is nice. So 3 computers, 3 cameras, 3 boards. Nice. So despite a little timing problem in the recording of one of the MacBooks, one video of the MacBook, it kind of works. This one stopped flashing again, and it was a very short flash anyway. Wonder why. This one didn't do anything, and this one has stopped as well. So let me just do a quick upload. Although the serial monitor works, so in that sense there should be no problem. And as you can see, the LEDs still blink right here, so the board is working. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please support my blog and website by becoming a patron, and depending on the pledge, have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos, or becoming a co-producer, all up to you. If you don't want that, you can still support by making the donation via PayPal or via IBAN. This is going to be continued. For now, stay safe, have a nice day. Take a look at my website, by the way. List it under this video, or wait for the final segment of this video. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.